Patio doors have the potential to completely transform your home, your living spaces and your lifestyle. Combining timber or aluminium frames with large glass panes is a great way of flooding the interior of your home with natural light and refreshing your living areas, even when your doors are closed. Whether you choose classic French doors to open out onto your patio or decking, or wall-to-wall Alfresco doors that slide, fold or stack to open up your space, Patio Doors create a seamless transition between inside and out. The Bona Vista collection of hinged, sliding, folding or stacking doors combines sleek aluminium frames with large panels of Doors Plus safe glass for contemporary chic and a modern, flexible lifestyle. Or you can choose the timber options from the Panoramic collection for Alfresco doors that slide, fold or stack to bring the outside in. Whatever style and configuration you go for, these doors are custom made to suit your home. Multiple sets can be combined to fit your opening, and the frames can be finished to suit your home's aesthetic. Our aluminium doors come in 4 contemporary colours, while the timber option can be stained to enhance the wood grain. Ideal for hosting, entertaining and alfresco dining, Patio Doors uplift your home from the inside out. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to discover Alfresco doors and book your free measure and quote.